True karma is not about the result but the attitude. Performing duties without attachment to the outcome liberates the mind and uplifts the soul. The secret of karma yoga lies in detachment. Do the work that is yours to do, but do not cling to the fruits of your labor. Karma yoga does not mean inaction but action performed with the highest awareness and without craving for rewards or recognition. The goal of karma yoga is to purify the mind through selfless action, preparing it for the realization of the self. Karma yoga means duty without ego. To act without pride or expectation is the foundation of true spiritual life. The highest karma is done in silence, without the need for acknowledgement or praise. The reward lies in the transformation it brings. You have the right to work, but not to the fruit of work. Let not the results be your motive, nor should you avoid work. Work becomes worship when done without selfish desire. Every act done in the spirit of service becomes a sacred offering to the divine. Karma yoga is the path of the strong. It demands courage, discipline, and an unwavering focus on the greater good. A karma yogi acts not for personal gain but as an instrument of the divine will, surrendering every deed at the feet of God. Every moment is a chance for spiritual growth when approached with awareness and detachment. This is the essence of karma yoga. Renounce the ego, not the work. The ego binds, selfless action frees. This is the true renunciation taught by karma yoga. Karma yoga teaches that every action done with selflessness purifies the soul and brings us closer to the divine, transforming ordinary work into spiritual practice. Selfless action is the path to freedom. When one works for the good of others without ego, one becomes truly free. Every action done with a pure heart, free of selfishness, becomes a step toward enlightenment and divine realization. Serve others not out of pity but out of the recognition of the same divinity that exists in all beings. The world is a great gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong through selfless service and noble action. Work is worship when the motive is pure. The spirit in which you act is more important than the act itself. True freedom comes when we give up the desire for reward and act with love and compassion for all beings. Work done without selfishness and with the right attitude becomes a spiritual practice, leading the soul toward liberation. The more we give through our work, the more we grow spiritually. Service is the ladder to divine realization. Karma yoga is not about doing great things, but doing even the smallest task with great devotion and mindfulness. Every action influences the universe. By acting with purity, we contribute to the harmony of the world and our own spiritual growth. To work without attachment is to remain calm in success and failure, maintaining inner peace regardless of outer results. Through work, we express our divinity. Let every action be an offering to the divine, and your life will be transformed. Ego is the root of bondage in action. Selfless service breaks the chains and reveals our oneness with the divine. Karma yoga brings unity in diversity by teaching us to see God in all and serve all without discrimination. The karma yogi learns to balance inner stillness with outer activity, acting without being caught in the web of desire. Do not seek to escape work, but spiritualize it. Make your duties sacred by offering them with love and detachment. A true karma yogi welcomes all duties, pleasant or unpleasant, as opportunities to serve and grow spiritually. The path of karma yoga is about doing your best and surrendering the rest. Let the divine take care of the outcome. Work without attachment makes the heart pure and fit to receive the light of higher truths and divine wisdom. Let every action be a meditation. When the mind is steady and selfless, even labor becomes an act of worship. Work is the best teacher. Life itself becomes the guru when every task is done with awareness and humility. Karma Yoga teaches that the soul is not bound by work, but by attachment. Detachment is liberation. The greatest work is to serve others, not for reward or recognition, but as an expression of divine love. Do not shun work, rather, master it through detachment and selflessness. This is the message of Karma Yoga. Even failure is a step forward on the path of Karma Yoga when the effort is sincere and the heart is pure. Let the motive of every action be to uplift others. In their happiness lies your peace and spiritual growth. Karma Yoga transforms work into a spiritual discipline. The workplace becomes a temple when action is done with the right attitude. The mind that serves others without ego becomes calm, and in that calmness, the divine light shines. Work performed with equanimity purifies the heart. This inner purification leads to the vision of the self. Karma Yoga does not deny the world but sanctifies it. It sees the divine in all aspects of life and embraces them with love. Serve not with the sense of superiority, but with humility and devotion. All beings are children of the same Divine Mother. Avoid idleness. Karma Yoga teaches that purposeful action, when done rightly, is a path to liberation, not bondage. Renunciation is not the abandonment of work, but the abandonment of the selfish motive behind the work. The greatest strength lies in selfless service. The more we forget ourselves, the closer we come to the divine truth. Action done in the right spirit becomes yoga. It leads to unity with the divine and harmony with all life. The more we serve without expectation, the more joy we find. This joy is the reward of a karma yogi. Patience and perseverance in selfless work purify the heart and open the door to higher realization. Karma Yoga is the path of action, but action that comes from love, not ambition or ego. Work for the welfare of others, and you will find your own liberation hidden in their happiness. A karma yogi works without complaining, knowing that every task is a part of a greater divine plan. The key to karma yoga is balance, between duty and detachment, between outer work and inner stillness. Selfless service destroys selfishness, and in that destruction, the soul reveals its true divine nature. Act with full dedication but no expectation. Such action brings inner freedom and prepares the soul for the highest truths. The journey of Karma Yoga is the journey from I to we, from the ego to the eternal self that serves all. These are the teachings of Swami Vivekananda focused about Karma Yoga. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you.